Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the Roblox error code 280. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to restart Roblox. So to restart your Roblox, you need to close the Roblox running on your background. So for that, you need to enter into your task manager and please do untask the Roblox application. So once it's done, our second step is to reinstall Roblox. So for that, you need to enter into your settings, apps, and then installed apps. Over there, please search for Roblox and then three dot icon to uninstall it. So once you uninstall, please install again. So our third step is to scan using the Windows security. So for that, you need to open Windows security and then virus and threat protection. Over there, please click scan option, and based on your time availability, please select and then click scan now. Now fourth step is to flush DNS and reset network. For that, you need to enter into the command prompt as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and place it over there one by one and then hit enter. So once you're done, please enter into the fifth step as disable proxy or VPN. For that, you need to enter into your settings over the network and internet, and please scroll down, you may see proxy, and over there please click setup and make sure you are in disable condition and save it. So our sixth step is to clear Roblox cache. For that, you need to press Windows R and then type %temp % and then hit OK. So over there, please select all and delete it. So again, press Windows R and then type %local app data %/Roblox and delete the log folder. Now seventh step is to set correct date and time. So sometimes this error occur due to the region and date and time. So for that, you need to enter into settings, time and language, and in date and time. Enable set time zone automatically. And eighth step is to repair Windows system files. For that, you need to enter into command prompt as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there, and have some patience to wait on it. It need to load from 0 to 100. So probably sometimes it make from 5 to 10 minutes to load it. Yeah, I'm speeding up the video. So once it's done, please copy the second prompt and paste it over there, and same, it need to be load from 0 to 100. So yeah, same, you need to have some patient to wait on it. It will take almost like 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, that's it. Once it's done, please type exit to exit from CMD or close it. So our ninth step is to restart your PC. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoy the video, and the video is very useful. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye.